Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Abdul Malik Taylor. I'm in central London today. You know what for? Well, it's not to do with this live feed on Instagram. It's something else as well that's going to happen today. But just to let you know, that's number 1 Northumberland Avenue. Back in the late 1890s, there was actually a Muslim organisation there called Anjuman Islam. That's where they were based, and they were organising UK activities. One of them was actually Eid prayers in the late 1800s. If I could turn around back over here though, did you know in Trafalgar Square there's actually a Muslim crescent somewhere hidden here? I didn't come last night. You know, some people say, oh, you came here last night and you hid it here. No, that's not the case. There is a Muslim crescent actually in Trafalgar Square that's been there for over 200 years. But you know, over there you've got the Tourism Malaysian office, and at the top of it there is a Muslim crescent there. You can just about see on top of the flagpole. That's not the one though, that's a separate one. I'm talking about Trafalgar Square over here. But guys, did you know that in Trafalgar Square, related to Trafalgar Square, there's at least 5 Muslim connections? Imagine that, guys. From 200 years ago, there's 5 Muslim connections to do with the world famous Trafalgar Square. You'd never imagine that, would you? On top of that, with the current madness of the French Prime Minister, there is actually a battle that's mentioned here to do with Muslims, as well as England against the French. Funny old relationship, you could say. India, France, Ottomans and England. Well, that's all it is for now. Somebody here says, for Islam, can't wait to do another one of your excellent tours. Oh, thank you. I can't remember who you are, to be honest, but it's nice to hear that. Well, there you are, guys. Just a quick bit of an overview, you could say, of the world famous Trafalgar Square. 5 Muslim connections to do with Trafalgar Square. Can you name any? What do you think? But anyway, guys, I'm off. I'm going to go on a bike ride today, so take care for now. Assalamu alaikum. Remember, guys, hit that subscribe button. We need as many subscribers as possible.